All right, so I have a spare frame from some of the moves that we were doing with the bigger colonies, trying to reduce some of the swarming load, possibility of swarming that they'll have. So I've got a frame of capped and open brood along with some honey and nectar stores. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a walkaway split on it. If I get a queen cell in the next few days, I'll move it over. I've used all my swarm cells, put them in other boxes for now, so I'm gonna get them situated. And it's literally this easy. So they've got all the resources they have here. I'm gonna put the feeders on them and give them a little something extra. But you literally just stick them in the box. I may add some more bees to it as I go down the line. I may pick some more and add to it. I'm gonna get one more frame, stick it in there, put some feeders on it, give them some sugar water. About a month it'll take them. It's like 2 weeks almost to raise the queen, and then another 2 weeks or so to get her mated. So about a month and change. I'll do another check. I may get in a little sooner just to see if they've done what I've hoped, but I tried not to disrupt them for a while. And yeah, if I come across a queen cell, we'll throw it in there and we'll be good to go. So yeah, so it's that easy to make more hives. You don't have to stay with 2, you can make 3. Have a good one.